Hello and welcome. This is Reverend Dr. Gilberto Rosado welcoming you to this stream right now. Today we're going to talk about a wonderful program that's now available to you if you're in Florida. It's Florida wide and actually in any major city of the United States. Let me just pull this out here. That's for the co-pilot. And gamers know what I'm talking about. Okay, and let me give attention to this. This has been attacked and flagged by competitors. I can only imagine in on Craigslist, and so it doesn't give it a chance for people to see this. It doesn't matter to me because again, I have other venues, and we're forming groups all over the United States. And so, the little attempts they make at trying to flag these and get these off is just, it's going to be futile in the next few months. Excuse me. But let me tell you guys about it since they don't let you see it. I'm usually running this one time $10,000 webinar. It's an exclusive webinar. The information, you can get real estate information online for free. So I'm not trying to talk to you about something you can get for free. And even I will tell you, go and get it for free. I'll tell you even where. The issue here is that what I'm teaching is an exclusive method that no one else is teaching. It's a method that simply turns people into millionaires very shortly, very brief. The other things you're learning in real estate investing are just the regular run of the mill, and everyone's having issues, right? With that. But this is an exclusive information that you're getting with me. Secondly, it's limited. Simply, it's limited. I'm only top ticket sales are at 100 in a city. That's all. The first 100, that's it, and that's it for life. And for generations to come, as long as their portfolios exist and they're producing for their children, for their family members, their spot is reserved within this exclusive club. So this is the reason that I'm not sweating any of these flagging by competitors out there. You guys have nothing on this, so you'll cry. You'll be crying yourself later on. Okay, so anyway, let's go on. It's an opportunity for you to get an hour's worth of my time. Simple as that. I'm making myself available for you, so to answer questions for you and to help you understand a little more about what our program entails. It's for private or semi-private discussion about my exclusive real estate investing strategy and development method and program. This is an opportunity to learn about this unique method, and it will send your real estate investing, wholesaling, flipping, and holding profits skyrocketing and place you ahead of the rest of the Miami real estate investing community. And by the way, this is not only for Miami. In any of the major cities in the U.S., if you're in any of these cities, you can get this head start as well. And it will give you that head start by leaps and bounds, making you one of the top real estate investing earners and professionals within the next 12 months. And really, just in your first deal, you're going to be ahead of the pack. Simply that simple. The regular 3-day workshop will be given, in this case in Miami. We're looking for the March date for that seminar may be later, but as far as we know right now, it's set for March, or initially on paper. So we'll see how that develops. But we want to get that started this year, no doubt. And you'll have this access to some of this information through this announcement, through this video, through the post that you reply to. I'm offering you an hour or more. You choose how many. So this is like a la carte at only $2.95 per hour. It's my regular hourly rate, by the way, for counseling, which I do. I do other consulting work and counseling. And this is my regular hourly rate. I will focus on how my method can increase your holdings and valuation in greater multiples than you can or thought you could using your commonly known real estate investing methods. And now, of course, if you're new to real estate investing, again, where this helps you immensely is that it gives you the modern, the very top of the line instruction in real estate investing. Now, again, like I said, you can take the free stuff online. That's fine. But this is exclusive material, number one. And number two, you won't be able to access this after we fill up the Miami area or wherever your city is at. So once we get the 100 people in your city, that's it. You're done. So it doesn't matter. You would have wasted your time even accessing my hour or two. If you don't jump on to this, you're wasting your time because you will lose your spot. I can't reserve your spot. So if you are new to real estate investing, you will learn the most profitable and quickest method to obtain a multi-million-dollar portfolio via or with the least amount of money than any and every other real estate investing method anyone has or could ever learn, either for free or for $50,000. But you know that some of these webinars go for $50,000. But they don't have what we're doing. Absolutely not. So, and that's anywhere in the world. I will also deduct that amount, though, whatever you pay, from the upcoming workshops. So, if whenever our workshop comes into your town, Miami or any other town, and you are a client of ours already, you paid for an hour, you paid for 10 hours, I will reduce that amount of money from your admission price for the live workshop in your area. So that's what I'll do for you. Here's your chance to finally make it big in real estate wherever city you're in and secure the wealth for your family or state for generations to come. Everyone, no matter how poor you are, even for just 1 hour, anyone signing up even for 1 hour will end up, after that hour, you will be a real estate investor. But okay, you will leave that session a real estate investor. Simple as that. So what you're getting the hour with me, or how many hours you choose, plus guaranteed you will leave me as an investor. That I guarantee it. Okay, so you're taking that first session with me, and you're leaving me. One of the benefits of the class is that you will be an actual real estate investor already. Okay. Now, what you need to do is you need to order your time with me first by going to this URL. It's a PayPal URL. Let me blow it up for you. So as much as this thing will do. And you go head on over to this URL. And at the end of this URL, you put that / as you see it there. Make sure you have, and then you put in the amount of the hour, and not the hours, the amount for each hour. So it's $2.95 per hour. So if you're ordering 1 hour, then it's just $2.95. You add the just the numbers $2.95 right after it. If you're ordering 2 hours, that's $4.90. So you put $4.90 after this URL here, and 980 if it's 4 hours, and etc., etc. If you want all of my available time, and I usually schedule this workshop for the weekend. We can make other arrangements, but they're usually for the weekend. But in either case, if you want all the time from Saturday and Sunday, which is most of this webinar, I'm sorry, most of the workshop, then you can make the following payment and save. So you can pay just 3995. Okay, and you're saving over $430 from the hourly rates, from the hourly rate. And since that is most the chunk of the workshop is that part there, you're essentially saving a whole lot of money from the regular workshop. Okay, so but you'll get the gist of what the projects that we're doing, working on, and that's a really great deal there. So you're saving money, and you'll be that much ahead, and then that'll be reduced, of course, from your regular fee for the whole workshop, which is the caveat, the little warning I have for you. You still have to take the whole workshop if you're going to work with us. So that's the little caveat. So, but at least this way you get some of it. But in order to put it into effect, you must be part of our network, and to be part of our network, you have to take the rest of the seminar. Okay. Okay, so feel free to private message me with any and all of your questions. Multiple requests will be grouped together for group sessions, so we'll have it like a webinar. In fact, if there are more people for the same weekend, for example, that want to take the same amount of time, etc., etc., so I will clump you guys together. But most often, what happens is that you have really just a one-on-one experience with me. So that's what usually goes on. But sometimes I do clump them together. Things happen that way. So that's what it's all about, folks. It's one-on-one time. If there's no one else for your time slots, it's exclusive access to this $10,000 workshop that you can have. You can a la carte it an hour per hour. We'll communicate with you first also to find out what background you have, if you're already an experienced real estate investor, and then we'll make adjustments so that you get a good quality hour or two or whatever it is that you put in for. I can tell you right now, these workshops are usually start on Fridays, and we get out Sunday late afternoon. So it's a lot of material. But I will try to bring in the most relevant material depending on your background. If you're coming in as a experienced investor or as a new investor or someone who wants to start doing this, so I make a little adjustments here to make sure that you get the best part of it in the time that you are giving us. But in any and every case, you will finish the sessions with me actually having an investment already started with us, and that's the greatest benefit of all that, and the information and the invitation to deduct from the workshop the regular price of what you're paying now, so you can save that money later on, and you have a head start on everyone else because you'll already be an investor of sorts with our program. Okay, so that's about it. We thank you. This is what the other competitors in Craigslist don't want you to see, and I'll tell you why. Because first of all, this workshop is a one-time deal. That means I'm not going to give it again. That means you won't have competition. All the other guys out there, they are continually training your competition. I'm not interested in that. You're not interested in that either, but you don't know better. So these guys, they're training up your competition. That's why they're ganging up on me and trying to get my ads off for Craigslist. So, like I said, it doesn't matter to me. This thing is already out the bag. There's no stopping it now. But so they are doing things. They are killing the business. They are the ones killing this business. They're killing real estate investing for all of you. They're continually looking for new people. You know why they're looking for new people? Because the new people go out into the field. They're the ones that find the properties. They're the ones that are going to. And these guys are just sitting around getting new deals, easy as pie, making that money, and then training up new real estate investors. Because, of course, you would have tired out, puckered out, and moved on to other things or done things alone, and they're still waiting to make more money. So that's what they do. And then the others are teaching as a business model, which means that they continue to write books and hold workshops. See, so I'm not doing that. That's not my business. I'm not trying to retrain and keep training people. I'm just doing this one time. One time, and whoever's in that city took the class, you're it. The less people, the more wealthier and quicker you will be wealthy. It's just simple as that. It doesn't matter to me if there's one, none, because that means I'll do it myself, or if there's 100, which is the top I will allow. And that's that. So, that being said, I motivate you to make a great decision today and get the information and get started with us and start learning about I'm calling it the future of real estate investment. That's what I'm calling it. Profitable real estate investment. This is the thing. Most of the real estate investing has 50 dangers involved with 50 money sinking or vacuum 50 sinkholes where your money will go down the drain in real estate investing, and my program eliminates all of them. No one else can say that. I can say that. That's what in the workshops you will learn how that is. So none of the other guys know that. None of the other workshops can eliminate those. It's just part of the program, and most of them are just they're the slow way, and they're making it very tough and slower. Even still, with all these students, they keep vomiting out every year. So I really encourage you to think about this and realize that what I'm doing is a one-shot deal. Whoever takes the class, you're it. You're in the network, and I'm not opening up for anyone else. And we're gonna grow together, and you'll be the one to do it. If there's only one in Miami, for example, this is what's in my head right now. Only one in Miami, then you're it. You're the next Donald Trump in Miami. Even more than, because even Donald Trump didn't figure out what I'm doing. Okay, so this is where we're at. I invite you to make your selection, decide how many hours you want to do this, and I'm here to teach you and to get you started. So let's do this thing. Thank you for watching, and forward.